How to log in with Facebook in Carrom Pool Disc game. If you are looking for a way to quickly log in with Facebook account in Carrom Pool Disc, then the first thing to do is to launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside the home page, this is my account I'm currently playing as a guest, and I'm gonna sync in with my Facebook account so that I can save progress across devices. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear icon. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, you'll look for this Facebook login in blue. Tap on it, and on the next page, go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. Make sure to type in your mobile number or email and then your Facebook account's password. After typing down your credentials, click Login. After doing so, you'll be able to link Carrom Pool Disc game with your Facebook account. Once logged in, you'll see your profile linked to Facebook. All your progress, friends, and rewards will sync automatically. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.